Hey guys, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today I am with Rowan, and I'll let Rowan to introduce himself.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Rowan. I'm a blogger from London, United Kingdom, and I blog mostly about fashion, fitness, and lifestyle.
So the reason I invited Rowan to be on my channel because we discussed dating and relationships, and he completely and totally agreed with what I coach.
No, actually, I think she's lying. The reason why she invited me, she said, "Oh my God, you are so cool. I want you on my channel. I think my girls will love you and all that." Come on.
Well, a bit of that as well, but okay. So last week I shared a question with Rowan, and he gave me a different perspective at what I would expect a guy to say. So the question for Rowan was, so I've been watching some guy dating coaches, and what I noticed that a lot of them say that to attract a high quality guy, you need to approach him, and they give some tips how to approach that guy. So for example, one tip that I heard was, if you see a guy that you like in a club, kind of stare at him until he looks at you, and when he looks at you, kind of look at him like you're kissing him. So, Rowan, what do you think about that?
Well, I think that's completely wrong, to be honest with you. Because, hey, if you like a guy in a club, and think like this, always stay classy, yeah? A guy, an alpha male loves a classy lady. And then if you like someone in a club, my opinion, just look at him, but not too much. Just now and then, you know, like you are with your girls, have fun, have a drink, smile, yeah. Look at him from once in a while. The guy, if the guy wants you, he will come straight to you, trust me, no matter what. And, but yeah, I think that's completely wrong. Like literally, look at him.
How would you feel if a girl would do this to you?
I don't know, because like, hey, you feel. I mean, we don't like too easy. Guys in general doesn't like too easy to come. What's coming too easy is just gonna go straight away.
Yeah,
it's gonna it's gonna disappear easily.
People appreciate what we need to work for.
Exactly. Yeah. Let the guy work a little bit. So just a smile, but then, yeah. At the end, like, you don't have to be so into him, because he said, "Oh my God, that girl, she's crazy about me." I'm just like,
turned off.
You turn off, yeah. You're just the guy's gonna be off.
So guys, me and Rowan are going to share a little story how we met, and basically this is what happened. So, so I was standing at the bar, and I felt the look coming from him, and I felt like because I'm really tall, I felt like
I was like, Jesus, this woman is so tall, I need to talk to her to see what's going on.
Thanks. Oh my God, thanks. So basically I feel this look like going from the head to toes, and I'm thinking like he's checking my shoes, you know, to see am I on the heels or not. And then he looks at me, and, you know, I smile, and then he smiles, and then he walks towards me. And then we talking a little bit. So he find out I'm a YouTuber, I find out he's a blogger. I'm like, okay, great, because I'm already getting ideas, right? And then my friend comes, and we kind of drift a little bit. And then Rowan was with his friends as well, and Rowan is standing there and kind of like being a bit indecisive, like I can see he's indecisive to come to me or not. And me knowing what to do, you know, I'm not chasing guys, so I was like, okay, if you're indecisive, I'm definitely not walking up to you. I'm gonna go turn around and go to the bar. So if you want me, you know, you will get to me. So
that was pretty impressive.
So I'm sharing here my secrets as well. And then at the end of the night, we were leaving, and I was walking up the stairs, and I see Rowan chatting to my friend. So actually the first thought that came into my mind was like, is he getting her number, or is he asking about mine?
I was actually trying to get both of them. I'm kidding.
So, and then basically I walked up to them, and he asked for my phone number.
It was actually social media.
Okay, fine.
I never asked for phone number.
Yeah, for social media.
First, never phone number. Hey, Instagram or email or whatever.
Okay, so he wanted to show off with his Instagram. He's got like 500,000 followers. That's why he asked for mine. But because I couldn't give him mine, because it's private lady's Instagram, I was like, and he's like, fine, give me your number. So my point is, ladies, if the guy will want to approach you, he will do that. But imagine this, like he likes you and you like him, and then instead of giving him that chance to approach you, you go and approach him and turn him off. I mean, you could lose a great guy just like that, you know? So, yeah.
Always keep in your comfort zone and chill and relax, and then it will happen when you not expect. So, ladies, there was another point I wanted to share with you, because it happens to me very often, and hey, I'm a single guy, and yes, I do go out now and then, and I do approach ladies, and what I see, and probably I'd say 80 or 90%, so it's a big percentage, it's when a guy goes to a girl, so I'm going to a lady in a club, and we already had eye contacts, the lady doesn't seem too desperate or stuff like that, she seems pretty cool, but the thing is, every time, I mean not every time, hey, as I said, 80-90% of the time I'm going to approach the woman, it happens that she gets very like nervous, very like super shy, very like, and then it just, the conversation becomes really awkward. Even if I'm trying to make the conversation cool, the girls, they becoming very insecure, let's say like that. And then I always wanted to make this point, and especially on her channel, because obviously her audience is just like women, yeah. And yeah, my opinion for you ladies out there, just like, I think it's very important, just like be cool, chill, try to be in your comfort zone, because at the end of the day you have nothing to lose.
Enjoy yourself.
And enjoy yourself, because if you're not gonna get that guy number, hey, it's gonna be another guy. There's so many beautiful people inside and outside, you know, in this world. So there's no point stressing for one person. So yeah. Keep it cool, keep it chill.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rowan, for your honest answers. Really appreciate it.
Really, thank you.
Doesn't happen often. And Rowan, so would you like to share how girls can find you and follow you?
Oh yeah, guys, if you want to check my page, I mean, probably for girls can be a little bit boring, because a lot of fashion ideas for male audience to see how to dress. So yeah, I'm on Instagram at Rowan Row. And then I have a YouTube channel as well, which is not very big because I just started. It's Rowan Row as well. And then Twitter, Facebook, the same thing. Guys, thank you so much for having me, and thank you. Way!
The reason I invited him to
easy. A fashion blogger from UK, London, and yeah, that's it. No, hold on, I want to say again. Okay. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Rowan. I'm lifestyle blogger and fashion. Oh fuck, I need to say that.
At least I don't feel bad now.
I haven't made a YouTube video in ages. Oh my god. I think you should put behind the scene.